Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a quick breakdown of today's short setup that I took. It was right after the market opened, and I just want to do a quick review on it and basically my thoughts as what I was expecting to happen once the market opened. So when I woke up initially, I saw that price has been dropping ever since it took out previous day high, and then it took out London high right here at 606. We also had a little minor SMT with ES over here. And then on the 1 hour candles, you can see around 8 a.m. that we had, consecutive bearish 1 hour candles. So my thought was once market opens, we should see more downside. And the first area of liquidity was this low right here for me, right at yesterday at 6:30. So that was my initial target. Also, I projected the standard deviation on the swing high and low that we took out at 6 a.m. And I did it on the 15 minute, but you can see on 2 minute as well that we have it from here to -4, and -4 sort of very closely aligns to the sell side liquidity that I had said before. So once market opened, what did we see? We saw a lot of ranging in the beginning, right? In the 2 minute, we're seeing first move up, then we go down, we go up again, and the market's really trying to trick you and get you, making you think that it's going one way. You enter a trade and you get screwed over, right? My thing is, I'm not going to take a trade until I see a an area where is it could be higher time frame, it could be a just a point of interest, right? So for me, that was midnight. Midnight price, if you guys don't look at it as often, I suggest you do. The midnight price is it's a very good confluence. Price reacts a lot from it. And you can see here clearly, perfect example. We went to the midnight price, rejected it, and the next candle was immediately a very big, strong displacement bearish candle. That gives me a lot of conviction that the price will continue going lower after, right? So, which is why you can see at 9:40 we had a bearish candle, and I didn't take any short setup because I wanted to see midnight get touched first, and that's exactly what happened. We tapped midnight, and then we had the displacement. So I wouldn't trust this. Some people would. I trust me. In the past, made this mistake where I would take the short setup right over here, and it would go and make a new higher high, and I would lose the trade. This time I waited for the midnight rejection, and then I took a trade right over here. Once we had the change in state of delivery, and it went straight to target, right to that sell side liquidity that I had pointed out over there. And it was a pretty quick trade, about not even, what was it, 9:56 to, oh, it was a 4 minute trade. In 4 minutes, it was about a 1.6 hour trade. So that was really good. Also, on top of that, we had an SMT with the ES over here. For SMT, it's not 100% something that I look for all the time. It is a great added confluence for me, but I don't look for it all the time. But you can see that we did have that as well. At this point, ES was making a higher high of day compared to the NQ. We're also in a premium being this high over here at 6:06 a.m. and this being the low. We had the premium. So ideally, you want to take a short setup in the premium, in the green shaded area, and you want to take longs at the discount area, right? So that was another thing. And we had the rejection at midnight, like I said, and we had the chain instead of delivery, the order block, and I was targeting the trade, the TP over down there. So overall, great trade, very quick trade. These are the kind of trades you love to get where you enter and within minutes it hits your target and you barely get any drawdown. So great trade for me today. If you have any questions, let me know. Make sure to comment on the YouTube channel. And I'm going to post this on Twitter as well. So if you have questions there, please do not hesitate to ask. Thank you.